Welcome to our channel. Today we how to disable k3s service on a VDS, full guide step by step clearly. To disable the k3s service on a VDS, start by accessing your virtual dedicated server. Use an SSH client like PuTTY or your terminal to log into your server. Once logged in, check the status of the k3s service by running the command sudo systemcll status k3s. This command will show you whether the service is currently running. If k3s is active, you will see an active, running status. Next, to stop the k3s service, use the command sudo systemcll stop k3s. This command will halt the k3s service immediately. To prevent the service from starting automatically upon boot, run sudo systemcll disable k3s. This will ensure that k3s does not start when the server is restarted. To verify that the service is disabled, use the command sudo systemcll is enabled k3s. If it returns disabled, you have successfully disabled the k3s service. If you want to completely remove k3s from your system, use the command sudo /usr/local/bin/k3s uninstall.sh. This script will remove all the k3s components from your server. Once the script completes, you can check for any remaining k3s files or directories. You can do this by listing the contents of the /etc/rancher/ directory. After confirming the removal, you have successfully disabled the k3s service on your VDS. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.